How to install the concealed safe box. Make sure enough space for installation. Need to drill a hole of diameter 38 mm for power cable. Power cable goes through the hole of the backboard. Place the base in the center of the bottom board of the cabinet. Note: tidy up the cable and connecting wire. Make sure the cable and the wire won't crash. Align the front of the base with the bottom board. Adjust the base in the center of the bottom board. Install the base on the cabinet with screws. Open the safe with override key. Take out the battery cabin insert for AA battery into the cabin. Push the door closed, lock automatically. Pull out the key. Put a finger on the scanner. Check if the lock works well. If the safe in a good status, then make further installation. Connect the safe and the base, then screw on. Fix the connecting wire with cable clip, then install the clip on the safe with screw. Place the safe box on the base, shown as the video. Make sure the connecting wire won't crash when the safe sliding into the bottom. Remove the 3 screws on the front of the base. After removing the screw, the base can power on. Put your hand on the induction area and check the moving status of the safe. Note: the base won't power on until removing the front screws of the base. The safe moves smoothly. Open the safe with any finger. Take out the bottom board of the safe. Install the safe on the base with screw. Install the board back. Pre-drill the hole on the safe door with screws. Close the door and put your hand on induction area. The safe retracts back. The base cut power off. Measure the distance from cabinet top to the safe door. Make the marks on the front door of the cabinet. Put double-side tape on the front door of the safe. Align the front door of cabinet with the safe. Press and make it stick to the safe door. Power on. Open the safe with a finger. Adjust the position based on the marks, then install the safe on the front door with screw. Put on the screw caps. The safe is installed successfully.